We're commissioning the largest fiber optic cable factory in Africa.
Wow. Did you hear that? Listen again.
We're commissioning the largest fiber optic cable factory in Africa.
Wow. Are you a seasoned investor looking for your next high growth opportunity? Or are you ready to make your first move but paralyzed by the search for a proven track record? This information I'm about to share is for you. It is no longer news that Coleman's Wire and Cable has the largest fiber optics manufacturing factory in the whole of Africa, and they also have the highest high voltage cable manufacturing factory in the whole of West Africa. And this simply means that cable manufacturing industry is calling out for investors. Hear from Coleman MD himself. 1, for startups. 2, for those that have fear of continuity. And also, if your own challenge is financial limitation, hear what the MD of Coleman has to tell you.
And we started off with a small 200 square meter factory, grew the factory to a 2,000 square meter factory, jumped to Arepo at 20,000. That was a major leap, from 2,000 square meters to 20,000 square meters to open the Arepo factory in 2009. That was a big major leap. And from then on, we did turn Arepo to 40,000 square meters and then leaped to Shagamu. Today, Shagamu is 400,000 square meters. It's the biggest single factory in cable location, almost, I'll say, definitely in Africa, but one of the biggest in the world. And so it's from a business that started off when I came in with a 100 kVA generator. Today we have 28 megawatts of power, of our own independent power. So the dynamics of creating structure or growth around creating a business that is 50 years or 100 years is only possible if succession planning is deliberate. The best thing about succession planning, as good as it is, why it fails in Nigeria is there's no security at the end of succession. To be sincere, today, the bank recapitalization as part of the strategy has started working. The banks are sitting on money they can't afford to keep in their hands. And I'll be sincere with you, today the interest rate from banks is lower than MPC rates. Because at the end of the day, they also have to have the loan to debt ratio balancing also. So they can't keep the money. The CBN will penalize them for keeping the money and not giving out loans. So they're all being forced to do work and harder work and create more business and more loan books so that we are actually...
Do you want to know all it takes to invest in cable manufacturing? To start up a cable manufacturing company, contact Shine World Group, a cable manufacturing machine producing company, the manufacturing company behind Coleman's Wire and Cable. To reach out to us today, call us via the number that you're seeing right there on your screen, or you can come to our office here in number 29A Remi Fani-Kayode Avenue, GRA Ikeja, Lagos State. Shine World Group, yes we can.